Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about JEEMAINS February, March, April and September. JEEMAINS questions from quadratic equations we are going to discuss. Let us have a discussion. The first question in this session. Let P and Q be two positive numbers such that P plus Q equal to 2 and P power 4 plus Q power 4 equal to 272. Then P and Q are roots of the equation. Among the four options, we are going to get one of the options. P and Q are the two positive numbers such that P plus Q is 2 and P power Q. P and Q are the roots of the equation also. So whenever P comma Q are two positive numbers, so P comma Q are roots of quadratic equation, then we have x square minus x into alpha plus beta means P plus Q plus alpha into beta, that means P into Q equal to 0. Since it is given P plus Q is equal to 2, so substitute here x square minus x into 2 plus PQ. So to get the quadratic equation, we need to calculate PQ value. This is our required equation of quadratic equation. So x square minus 2x, in all options it will be there, but a deciding factor is PQ. So how it will come? By taking the help of given information from the question. P plus Q is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. So it will becomes P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equal to 4. What I am going to do is 2PQ I am taking this side. P square plus Q square is equal to 4 minus 2PQ. Again squaring on both sides. So again a plus b whole square expansion. If you do that, P square whole square is P power 4. Q square whole square is Q power 4 plus 2 into P square into Q square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. 4 minus 2PQ whole square. 4 square is 16 plus 2PQ whole square is 4P square Q square minus 2 into 4 into 2. So it will become 16PQ. Now what I am doing is, since the value of P power 4 plus Q power 4, it is given as 272 from the question. Observe carefully, it is given as 272. So that implies that 272 plus 2P square Q square minus 4P square Q square plus 16PQ minus 16 equal to 0. So 2P square Q square, 4P square Q square is minus 2P square Q square plus 16PQ. 272 minus 16 is 256. So here dividing by minus 2, it will becomes P square Q square means I am writing as P square Q square, PQ whole square minus 8 into PQ minus 128. 128 2s are 256. So here PQ, it is a quadratic equation in terms of PQ. So we can, here minus 8 minus 128 is there. Find out the factors for PQ. PQ whole square minus, here minus 16 PQ, can we write like this, plus 8 PQ minus 128 equal to 0. So from these two PQ take common, from these two 8 take common. PQ into PQ minus 16 plus here 8 take common, PQ minus 16 is equal to 0. So PQ minus 16 into PQ plus 8 is equal to 0. So PQ is equal to 16 and PQ equal to minus 8. Clearly they mentioned P and Q should be positive. So whenever the two numbers are positive, the product of two numbers is also positive. But here PQ equal to minus 8 is there, no? So one of the value is negative. The product is obviously it is negative. So PQ equal to minus 8 is not possible. PQ is equal to 16 is possible. Therefore, the required quadratic equation in place of here x square minus 2x in place of PQ 16 is suitable value, no? So substitute there. Therefore, this is required x square minus 2x plus 16, which is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. I hope everyone understand. Yeah, the next question. Let a comma b comma c be in an arithmetic progression. That means a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. So we know that ABC or in AP means twice of the middle is equal to sum of the extremities. Yeah, keep in mind, dear students, this value 2b is equal to a plus c. And let the centroid of the triangle with vertices be 10 by 3, 7 by 3. And alpha, beta are the roots of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0. Then the value of is a good question. So from the question, we have A, B, C are in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C. And what are the vertices are given? AC, A comma C, 2 comma B and A comma B are the vertices of a triangle. That means x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These are the vertices of a triangle. So we know that centroid is also given. Centroid is denoted by g of x comma y, that is equal to given as how much it is? 10 by 3 comma 7 by 3. Observe carefully in the question. Centroid is 10 by 3, 7 by 3. So formula for centroid directly I am writing the values 10 by 3, 7 by 3 is equal to sum of the x coordinates by 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Now the respective values of x1, y1, x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 substitute here. So a plus 2 plus a by 3 comma c plus b divided by 3. So by comparing like options x coordinates and y coordinates, you will get so 10 by 3 is equal to a plus 2 plus a by 3. So 3 get cancelled. That implies that 2 we can take this side. 10 is equal to a plus a, 2a plus 2. That implies that 8 is equal to 2a. That implies a is equal to 4. A value we got it. In the same way, comparing y coordinates, 7 by 3 is equal to c plus b plus b. That means c plus 2b by 3. 3 get cancelled. That implies that 2b plus c is equal to 7. Since we have the formula 2b is equal to a plus c, now here we can use this result, dear students. A, B, C are in AP. It is there. Since 2b is equal to a plus c, substitute in this. It will becomes a plus c is equal to 7. A value is also we have. So a is equal to 4, substitute. 4 plus 2c is equal to 7. That implies that 2c is equal to 3, 7 minus 4. So c is equal to 3 by 2. But I want a b value. Why? Because in the quadratic equation, b is required and a is required. A value we got it now. So c value substitute either in the equation 2b plus c is equal to 7. In this you can substitute. You will get the value of b. So 2b plus c value is 3 by 2 is equal to 7. That implies that 2b is equal to 7 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 14 minus 3. So 11 by 2. So b is equal to 11 by 4. So a value and b value. A value we got it as 4 and b value we got it as 11 by 4. Come to the question. Ax square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0. Whose roots are alpha comma beta na? Ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0. Whose roots are alpha comma beta. Then we can express as, so we can write as sum of the roots and product of the roots. We can write it from here are the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to, and alpha beta also we can write it. Before that, a value b value substitute in this. So here a value is 4x square and b value is 11 by 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That is equal to minus 11 by 4 by 4. That means 11 by 16. Alpha beta c by a. So 1 by 4. So they are asking to calculate the value of alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. This is the information they are asking to calculate. Alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So now alpha square plus beta square, can we write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Already minus alpha beta is there. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta, which is equal to alpha plus beta value is minus 11 by 16 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 121 by 256 minus 3 by 4. So take LCM here, 256. 256 once 1 into 124. 256 121 minus 4 6. So it will be 4 6 24. So 4 64 times. So 64 into 3, which is equal to 121 minus 192 divided by 256, which is equal to 121 minus 192. So it will be 64, 192 minus 1, 71 will come. That also minus 192, no? So minus 191. 192 by 21 is 71, 256 by. Therefore, the value of alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta is equal to minus 71 by 256, which is there in the, which option? It is fourth option we have. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The next question, the integer k for which the inequality x square minus 2 into 3k minus 1 into x plus 8k square minus 7 equal to 0 is valid for every x in R is. So these are the options available. So here we know that one important information regarding quadratic equations, which we discussed in earlier classes in board. Once you go to the playlist, dear students, I explained everything. In this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, coefficient of x square is greater than 0, then the discriminant is less than 0. That means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This property I am going to apply to get the value of integer k. So here the quadratic equation is x square minus 2 into 3k minus 1 into x plus 8k square minus 7 is greater than 0, it is given. So expression is greater than 0 in this. A value, b value already here. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 into 3k minus 1, and c is equal to 8k square minus 7. So here x square coefficient is greater than 0. So discriminant should be less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. b square minus 2 into 3k minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 1 into c value 8k square minus 7 is less than 0. So minus 2 whole square is 4 into 3k minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 8k square minus 7 is less than 0. So 4 take common and we can take this side. So the rest of the terms only 4 take common. 9k square a minus b whole square expansion 3k minus 1 whole square minus 6k plus 1 minus 8k square plus 7 minus of minus is less than 0. 4 also we can take this side. 9k square minus 8k square is k square minus 6k plus 8 is less than 0. By using factorization, k square minus 2k minus 4k plus 8 equal less than 0. From these two k take common, from these two minus 4. K into k minus 2 minus 4 into k minus 2 is less than 0. That implies that k minus 2 into k minus 4 is less than 0. So that means in the real number line, this is minus 15, this is plus 15. Here 2, here 4. So from minus infinity to, suppose in between minus infinity to 2, if we take like this, it will be. In this, if we take in between minus infinity to 2, suppose k value 0 if we take, k value 0 if we take, 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 4, anyway it is minus 8 is greater than 0. So this is not our suitable one. So it is positive we are getting. In this, k is equal to in between 2 to 4, 3 if we take, 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 4, which is equal to 1 into minus 1, which is less than 0. Here minus. If we take 4 to infinity, if we take, k is equal to 5, 5 minus 2 into 5 minus 4 is equal to 3 into 1, which is greater than 0, positive. So what they are asking here, discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant less than 0 here means for what value of in between 2 and 4, what value is their k value? So obviously in between k value is belongs to open interval of 2 comma 4, it is equal to k is equal to 3. Therefore the right entry in the integer value is equal to k is equal to 3, which is there in the first option, dear students. The next question, dear students. Let alpha and beta be the roots of x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0 if an equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. For n is greater than or equal to 1, then the value of a10 minus 2a8 by 3 into a9 is, this is the question. So here an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. a10, a8, a9. These values first we have to write it. So given an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. But I want a8, a9 and a10 values now. So n is equal to 8 I am substituting. a8 is equal to alpha power 8 minus beta power 8. a9 is equal to alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. a10 is equal to alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. So these values we got it now. Now alpha beta or alpha comma beta, both are the roots of this equation. No? Alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Then, so whenever alpha is the root of this quadratic equation means it satisfies with that alpha. So wherever x is there replaced with alpha, then alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0. Similarly, beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 equal to 0. Now substitute the respective values of now consider from here a10 minus 2a8 by 3 into a9. So a10 value is alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 minus 2 into a8 value alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 whole divided by 3 times of a9 means alpha power 9. Here I already wrote that values alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. So after that alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 minus 2 alpha power 8 minus into minus plus 2 beta power 8 by 3 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Now what we are doing is alpha terms one side, so alpha power 10 minus 2 alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 minus we are taking common from these two beta power first keep bracket beta power 10 minus beta power 10 here plus is there minus 2 beta power 8 by 3 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. So from here alpha power 8 I am taking common. So alpha square minus 2 minus beta power 8 I am taking common. So beta power 2 minus 2 divided by 3 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. In place of alpha square minus 2, so observe carefully dear students, here we have this value now. So alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0, it is there in this. But I want alpha square minus 2 from here, we will make as a subject. It will become 6 alpha. Similarly, from beta square also, beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 equal to 0. From that, beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. So in place of alpha square minus 2 and beta square minus 2, you have to replace with these values. Alpha power 8 into 6 alpha minus beta power 8 into 6 beta divided by 3 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9, which is equal to 6 into alpha power 9 minus 6 into beta power 9 divided by 3 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. 6 take common from the numerator. 6 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 by 3 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore conclusion a10 minus 2a8 by 3a9 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2 dear students. which is there in the third option. The next question, it is integer type question, dear students. The number of solutions of the equation log of x minus 1 to the base 4 equal to log of x minus 3 to the base 2. So first, the given equation is log of x minus 1 to the base 4 is equal to log of x minus 3 to the base 2. So both are logarithmic functions. Log functions, here 4 can be written as a 2 square. So log x minus 1 to the base of 2 square. X minus 1 power is 1 obviously. So log x minus 3 to the base of 2. Here we have one important result in logarithms properties. Log a power m to the base b power n can be written as m by n into log of a to the base b. So by using this property of logarithm, LHS value we can write it as m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 here. So 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to log of x minus 3 to the base 2. After that, cross multiplication. So 2 we are taking here. Log x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 2 into log x minus 3 to the base 2. So from this step, log x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to log x minus 3 whole square to the base 2. Here we are applying the property of log a power m now. Log m into log a, otherwise m log a can be written as log a power m. So by using that, now comparing the log functions when both are equal, both bases are equal here, comparing the log functions. X minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. Now expand x minus 3 whole square, x square minus 6x plus 9, and these values we are taking here, minus x plus 1. So x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. After by doing the factorization, x square minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. X into x minus 2 minus 5 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5. So among these values, which one is right value? Here observe, dear students, log x minus 1 to the base of 4 is defined when x minus 1 is greater than 0, first thing, and should not be equal to 1 also. X minus 0 is enough, greater than 0 is enough. Why? Because it is not in the denominator. So x should be greater than 1. X should be greater than 1 means x is equal to 2, x is equal to 5. Both are possible here. So both the cases are possible. But come to the second case. This is case 1 we are checking. Among these two cases, which case is having the both possibilities, that we can consider. X minus 3 to the base 2 is defined when x minus 3 greater than 0. This x minus 3 greater than 0, x is equal to, x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3 means which is possible? X is equal to 5 only possible, not x is equal to 2. Here x is greater than 1 means x is equal to 2, x is equal to 5, both are possibilities. But according to this, x is greater than 3, x is equal to 5 only possible. So which one is the right possible? X is equal to 5 only. Why not x is equal to 2? X is equal to 2 if you substitute in this case. If you substitute here x is equal to 2 in this, it will becomes log of minus 1 will come. It is absurd. It is meaningless. Logarithms are defining for only positive integers. That is the reason x is equal to 5 is only possible. Therefore, the right value of x is the number of solutions, only one solution. X is equal to 5 is the solution and the number of solutions are 1. Number of solutions is equal to 1. Only one solution, that is x is equal to 5. Number of solutions are not 5. X is equal to 5 and therefore number of solutions are equal to 1. I hope understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. Next question. The next question. If the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the pth and qth terms of the sequence minus 16, 8, minus 4, 2 and so on satisfy the equation 4x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 0, then p plus q is equal to. See here, if the arithmetic mean, and first what is the series here? Minus 16, eight, minus 4, 2 and so on. Here which sequence it is? So by observing, if you are assuming this is T1, T2, T3 and so on, T4 and so on. T2 by T1, if you observe that, 8 by minus 16 which is equal to minus 1 by 2. T3 by T2 minus 4 by 8 which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So common ratio is equal. Common ratio R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Common ratio is equal to minus 1 by 2. Common ratio, we got it. R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Common ratio. Common ratio, it is there means absolutely it is in geometrical progression. So geometrical series, it is in ZP. In this geometrical mean, pth term and qth term we can write it. So AP, that is equal to, AP means pth term of GP. So A into R power n minus 1, R power P minus 1, where A is the first term, this is A, and R value here I wrote. So AP is equal to minus 16 into R value minus 1 by 2 whole power P minus 1. Similarly, AQ, qth term of GP, qth term of GP. So A into R power Q minus 1. So AQ equal to minus 16 into minus 1 by 2 whole power Q minus 1. So AP is equal to minus 16 minus 1 by 2 whole power P minus 1. You can keep it like this only, no change at all. Even this is also we can write like this only, no change. No need to write this step. You can leave it like this. This is pth term of GP and qth term of GP. After that, one equation is given satisfying the equation 4x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 0. So x value you can calculate. 4x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 0. Write that factorization and find the roots. 4x square, 4 5 is 20 means here 4 into 5, 9 can be expressed in terms of minus 4x minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. From these two 4x, from these two minus 5 take common. 4x into x minus 1 minus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x minus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5 by 4. So these values are satisfying the equation. So pth term and qth term. And here one more mention, arithmetic mean and geometric mean of pth and qth terms of sequence satisfying this. That means geometrical mean of AP and AQ is equal to 1 or 5 by 4, any one of them. Better to take for verification x is equal to 1 only. Given geometrical mean of AP comma AQ is satisfying the equation. That means is equal to either x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5 by 4. Any one of them you can take, but better to take 1. What is the geometrical mean of AP into AQ? Square root of AP into AQ. Geometrical mean of A comma B means what? Root AB. Geometrical mean of AP and AQ means root AP into AQ. Squaring on both sides, if you do that, you will get AP into AQ is equal to 1. We know that AP value here we wrote minus 16 into minus 1 by 2 whole power p minus 1 minus 16 into minus 1 by 2 whole power q minus 1 is equal to 1. Minus 16 into minus 16, 256. Base are equal, power should be added. Minus 1 by 2 whole power p minus 1 plus q minus 1 is equal to 1. So 256 into minus 1 by 2 power p plus q minus 2, which is equal to 1. So here minus 256 minus 1 whole power p plus q minus 2. So 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 we can take outside, means 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 can write as 2 power minus 1 whole power p plus q minus 2 is equal to 1. Even 256 also we write it as 2 power 8 into minus 1 whole power p plus q minus 2, 2 power 2 minus p minus q is equal to 1. Here a power m whole power m formula here we applied. So 2 here also base are equal, power should be added. So minus 1 whole power p plus q minus 2, 2 power 8 plus 2 10 minus p minus q is equal to 1. So this side LHS side value is equal to 1 when it will be, the power should be equal to 0. The powers of these values will be equal to 0, then only. So the power of 2 should be equal to 0. Minus 1 whole power p plus q minus 2, the power should be equal to 0 means anyway it will become 1. But here to satisfy the above equation, the power of 2 is equal to 0. That is 10 minus p minus q equal to 0. That implies that p plus q is equal to 10. So the p plus q equal to 10, if you substitute in this, here 10 minus 2 is 8, minus 1 whole power 8 is 1 only. So it is satisfying. Anyway, p plus q here, minus of p plus q, if you take it here, it will become as 10 minus 10 0, anything power 0. Both sides are satisfying. So the answer is p plus q whole power p plus q is equal to 10. So which is there in the options, it is also like integer type questions. Therefore p plus q is equal to 10. So that is, I hope everyone enjoyed this session, dear students. In the next video we will come with different questions in that quadratic equations. Thank you for watching our channel. Maths with Panindra.